Hello, my name is Attorney Paul Chang and I wanted to thank all of you for being here today. Today we talk about a very interesting area of law called the abuse of process and malicious prosecution. But before we begin, what I need you to do is I need you to go to the original video that says that this here does not create an attorney-client relationship. If you are looking for an attorney-client relationship, you need to go find your own attorney. Today's question comes from David from South Pasadena. He says, "Dear Mr. Chang, I was recently sued by a former business partner. Recently sued by a former business partner. I believe it was done wrongfully to close my business. They eventually dropped their lawsuit. Can I sue them for wasting my time and money?" Well, David, abuse of process essentially is a lawsuit that a person files that usually is sued. So normally a defendant will sue back in terms of an abusive process. And what you are saying in abusive process is you are saying that the individual that used to be a plaintiff used the legal system in a wrongful manner. So in this case, what you would be saying is that your old partner sued you not to effectuate their rights, but to wrongfully compete with you. And therefore, you would have an abusive process claim against him. If you win that case, you get damages, you get punitive damages, and potentially an injunction. The other thing I'd like you to consider is malicious prosecution. Now, there is a caveat to malicious prosecution, and that is you need to have won at trial. So you need to be the prevailing party at trial. So unlike abusive process claim where you don't necessarily need to win the entire lawsuit, malicious prosecution claim you do. So let me give you an example. The person sues you, you have a jury trial, and you win. You can sue back for malicious prosecution, and what you get are damages, punitives, injunction, and your attorney fees. So essentially, if you prevail on a malicious prosecution claim, all of your attorney fees are paid by the other side. Essentially, you practically get a free lawsuit. I hope that helps you. Thank you very much. Take care.